In 1 minute of market open, buy call generated, green color candle open. In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal, green signal, red signal like that. Today it's first day of the March, and after 1 minute of market open 9:16, this call generated. Every day we analyze in Bank Nifty 1 minute chart how these calls are generating and how it performing in live market. Right now today the call came at 46,818. That straight white line from green candle, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So right now you are watching the video na daily basis, you are going to watch this chart. You will get the call. Through this call you can do the entries. Through these entries you can do the manual trading as well as auto trading also possible. Today today the call came at 46,818. The first target range is 935. It's more than a 100-point target range. After 10 o'clock, market started to move in the upper side direction. During this time, it break out the first target range. Like this today, call generated and break out the target. From opening itself, it's a continuous bullish momentum. Market was in upper side direction only. During the time of 940, market almost break out the first target, so 90% target achieved, but right now only it break out the target. 47,000 call option, it's a weekly expiry option. In this option chart, after 1 minute of market open at 2:36, this buy call generated, and during the first 30 minutes itself it has breakout 285. Like this you can change script and watch the signal in this chart. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp.